part 4 of this unusual vlog. This time I'm recording it with 60 frames, but that's going to be a very massive illumination to my gigabyte storage. So I hope it's worth it. Oh, that thing says vodka up there. 96997777786 $153.
$150.
69. All of these are $9. That's the location I'm in. Geneva, Illinois. What? Well, that's extra here.
It's to be you.
Why?
Because you have to be there.
You idiot sandwich. I don't know. Where you just... Okay, I got this thing. So, like, what the heck is next? Either this will be it or just get out. I don't know. Dude, I'm now recording at 1080p with 60 FPS, so it's going to eliminate my gigabyte storage even more. Massive apple, again. There's a minion all the way over there. Oh, look, there's the corn maze. The corn, C-O-R-N. Not the word you expect, because I don't want to say that because then I'll get demonetized, I think. Nor the video will get taken down for being bizarre. Uncle Willie's Abend. What? I don't know what these are. And there's almost nothing inside this. Oh wow, this thing. I'm not so sure what this. Shock. I'm being very stupid, and there's a bunch of farmlands, right? Well, this is farms. A bunch of farms. There's a bunch of this stuff. See what kinds of things I can make. And there's a maze right all the way over there. All the way in the distance right there. I'm not so sure if I'm going to be allowed to do that. I don't know where on earth is the chalk for this thing. I'm going to be guessing it's in this. There ain't any. Oh boy, here's the maze.
What maze?
There's that thing.
Bella, we're going
Like
to the
you.
maze. Bella, we're going to the maze. Bella, eat.
Oh boy. Also Yoda. Bang. There's like nothing in there. What the? What even lies in there? I'm way too tall for this crap. This is what being 5'9" or something is. And only being near the 14 years old. Near because my birthday's coming up in like 10 days after recording this. Oh, here's the mess right there.
No!
Do not get corn victed. No picking this stuff. Oh,
What
okay,
happened here?
I'm gonna question one. You're not allowed to take any of the stuff, so. Oh boy! Here I go. Wish me luck, people. or anyone, whoever is watching this, we got actual corn pieces.
Over here.
This one? I don't know. I don't remember. If I remember, the entrance is like with those things, the stars, or the stuff up there. There's like a made path. Many people are making pathways.
Wait, where's Mommy and Papi?
I'm literally right over here. Don't wander. A bunch of corn right here. It's been 5 minutes. Yeah, we're inside a field. We're inside a cornfield right now. No. Oh, you gotta be serious. I'm gonna record this like a visual view.
What's up, Papa?
There's like a body cam. Like, oh god. The pat. Ah! Yeah, I nearly fell. What the? I'm gonna try to do this. It's like a. I don't know what I'm doing. It's like just a visual just from my hat. I have nothing. Oh god, came the past splits of a bunch.
Following a baby. Well, we get lost. Hopefully,
If we get lost, it's free.
Yeah, I have no idea.
I just put it down. Or not. Put it down.
Bamboo, I guess.
I guess it's a coin.
Oh, ah, frick. God damn it.
¿Regresamos?
There's just way too much kind of space.
What do you think?
Axel, stop. Hold. Don't even think.
Put it down.
Put that thing down, Axel.
Put it down.
I don't question what. That's what she said. Oh, the boy.
Aquí.
Go backwards, go backwards, go back. He said not like that. Okay. That's like a Well, I'm gonna go off my own for now. I'm gonna go this way now.
Ay, no.
No, this... Oh, that's a dead end. Okay. What is this mess? Oh my.
Okay. Which way you want to go, Mama?
Huh? I don't know.
I think we gotta go this way here.
Over there.
We'll
You sure?
We'll see.
Actually, that was a toad end.
That way too?
I'm gonna go here.
It's like a dead end right there.
We would just go back the way we came from.
I don't know. Let's go. It's been like 8 minutes since I started this recording again. There's a dead end right there. Path forks between 2 directions.
That's the toad end, let's go.
Okay. That's not a path. I don't know. There's like a bunch of stuff blocking the damn it.
Stick together.
Vamos a buscar la salida.
Yeah, I have no idea. There's like a that like leads to nowhere.
Aquí entramos.
Aquí entramos. Pero, ¿quieres investigar para allá?
This is literally the exact same pathway we took since when we entered in here.
Wait, where's Mommy?
I don't know.
Oh, these are bamboo.
I don't know. Damn it.
Wait,
I do not own this music, for goodness sake. Credit goes to whoever made the music. Thanks. This is literally just a big entrance again. Oh, what the? Oh, shit. Oh, yeah, that thing. Yeah, this thing, we literally just failed. No way of finding we couldn't find the exit, so we just walked backwards. Well, of us will be here for part 4. That is it.